Okay, today we discuss the problems of similar triangle. In similar triangle, you have studied the theorems. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. And taking this theorem, there are three questions of theorems are also. The ratios of areas of two triangles are equal to the ratios of the square of their corresponding altitudes. Second, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding medians. And third, the ratios of two similar triangles. The ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding angle bisectors. Now, taking these theorems, we'll do the problems from NCERT book. Means, after reading the book, first you have to check whether the two triangles are similar or not. If two triangles are similar, then you can put the direct results of areas of two similar triangles in respect of sides, altitudes, medians and angle bisectors. But if the triangles are not given similar, then first you have to prove it as similar triangles with the help of similarity criteria. Okay, when it is proved according to the given questions, then you can put all the values from the question in a diagrams and then try to get the answer from the questions. Okay, so when you are doing the question, always see whether the triangles are similar or not. If it is given already similar, then we apply directly the results of theorems based on that theorems. But if in a questions, if it is not given, triangles are similar, first you have to do two triangles will be similar with the help of similarity criteria. Now, come back to the questions from NCERT, exercise 6.3. Okay, I write down the question. Question number first. Let triangle ABC and triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter squares and 121 centimeter square if AB is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Okay, in a questions, the triangles ABC and triangle DER is given similar, so no need to prove it be a similar triangle. Now make a triangle ABC and DEF and write the values of from the given questions. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter. The length of sides EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of first triangle BC. Okay, now we can apply the theorems of similar triangles in which the values of sides are given. Means you know that the areas of the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Means area of triangle ABC divided by the area of triangle TEF is equal to AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. Now in a questions we have to take two sides EF and BC, both are corresponding side. So you can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AD is equal to BC square by EF square. Okay. Now put the values of the given questions. Area of ABC is given 64 divided by area of TEF is given 121 is equal to BC square divided by EF square. Now 60 by 4 by 121 it is written as 8 by 11 whole square is equal to here BC by EF whole square and put the values of EF. EF is equal to 15.4. Now both sides each term is in the form of a square. So take a square root on both sides. Then you get 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. Now BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. Now cancel it. 15 by 4 is divided by 11, 1.4. Now values of BC will be 11.2 centimeter. Understood? Okay, like this, first you read the questions and think which theorems will be used by looking the information of the questions and write down all the informations which are given in the questions separately and then apply appropriate theorems to get the required result. Okay. Now question number 2. You can also write down the question 2 from our NCERT books. I am telling diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O if AB is equal to 2CD. Find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. Okay. Here in a question, ABC is a trapezium. You know in a trapezium, any one pair of opposite sides are parallel but not equal. So in a figure ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. It is also given, and AB is not equal to DC. Okay. And diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. Now values of AB is given to CD. Now we have to find the ratios of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. Here triangle AOB and triangle COD are given, but it is not given the triangles are similar. First, to try to do it as a similar triangles with the help of appropriate similarity criteria. Okay. Now in a figure AOB and COD, you have to make derivations according to figures and given informations. In triangle AOB and COD. Okay. Now you can denote the angles by letters 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So denote the angles OAB by 1, OCD by 2, CDO by 3, OBA by 4, and angle COD by 5, angle AOB by 6. Denote all these angles by writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in a figure, in triangle AOB and COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because these are the alternate interior angles. Since AB is parallel to DC and AC is a transversal, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, because these are the alternate angles. AB and DC are parallel and BD is transversal. And angle COD is equal to AOB. These are the vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we got all these three relations for being a similar triangles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AAA similarity criterion. Okay, you got similar. Therefore, ratio of area of AOB upon area of COD is equal to AB square by CD square. Now replace AB by 2CD. Now it gives area of AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 2CD whole square by CD square. Now it gives 4CD square by CD square. CD square will be cancelled. It gives 4 by 1. Hence, area of triangle AOB divided by area of COD is equal to 4 by 1. So ratio of area of triangle AOB ratios area of triangle COD is equal to 4 ratios 1. You got the answer. Okay.